How to turn on picture in picture on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn on picture in picture on YouTube. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube app on your device. Log into your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and hit the gear icon at top right to access settings section of YouTube. Under account, select general. Locate the option for picture in picture and make sure to toggle the button on. If you don't get the option from this section, exit from YouTube. Now tap and hold YouTube app and the eye icon for accessing app info section of YouTube. Scroll down, tap picture in picture and make sure to turn on the button for picture in picture. This allows application to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. That is how we turn on picture in picture on YouTube. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.